Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in the description. Today we're taking a detailed look at the Goiaey GO2 Outdoor 4K Smart Projector, a feature-packed smart projector designed for both indoor entertainment and outdoor movie nights. On paper, it combines native 1080p resolution, 4K decoding support, built-in streaming apps, AI-powered image adjustment, powerful speakers, and a short throw design. But what do all of those numbers actually mean in everyday use? Let's find out. One of the headline specifications is its native full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution with support for 4K video decoding. It's important to understand that this projector displays content in native 1080p while accepting and processing compatible 4K input signals. This allows users to stream modern 4K content while still enjoying a sharp full HD image. For many movies, TV shows, sports, and gaming sessions, native 1080p continues to provide excellent picture quality. Brightness is another major specification. The GO2 is advertised with up to 3,500 ANSI lumens, along with a 50:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio. Higher brightness helps create a more visible image, especially in rooms with some ambient light, while the high contrast ratio improves the difference between bright highlights and darker scenes. As with any projector, the best image quality is typically achieved in a dim or dark viewing environment. The projector also supports HDR10, which expands the visible range between bright and dark areas in compatible content. Combined with MEMC motion enhancement, fast-moving scenes like sports broadcasts or action movies can appear smoother during playback. One of the standout features is its short throw ratio of approximately 1:1. In practical terms, the projector can produce roughly a 100-inch image from around 8 feet away, making it easier to use in bedrooms, apartments, or smaller living spaces where longer projection distances aren't available. It also supports image sizes ranging from approximately 50 inches all the way up to 500 inches, depending on placement. Image setup has also been heavily automated. The GO2 includes AI autofocus, auto keystone correction, auto screen fit, and auto obstacle avoidance. Instead of manually adjusting focus or correcting image distortion every time the projector is moved, these intelligent systems automatically align the picture to fit the projection surface. Whether projecting onto a wall or a screen, setup can typically be completed in just a few moments. For streaming, the projector comes with officially licensed built-in apps including Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, reducing the need for an external streaming stick. Since these applications are installed directly on the projector, users can begin streaming immediately after connecting to Wi-Fi. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6 together with Bluetooth 5.2 or newer depending on the regional version, allowing connections to wireless speakers, headphones, game controllers, or smartphones while also providing faster network performance for compatible routers. Audio is another area where the GO2 aims to stand out. It features a 65-watt Dolby-supported stereo speaker system, which is considerably more powerful than the small speakers commonly found in portable projectors. For many users, this may reduce or even eliminate the need for external speakers during casual movie nights or presentations. Physically, the projector includes an integrated 360-degree rotating stand, allowing projection onto walls, ceilings, or traditional projector screens without requiring additional mounting accessories. This flexibility makes it useful for home theaters, outdoor entertainment, or even ceiling projection while lying in bed. Connectivity options include HDMI, USB, and a 3.5mm audio output, making it compatible with game consoles, streaming devices, laptops, Blu-ray players, and external audio equipment. Overall, the Goiaey GO2 combines several modern projector technologies into a single package, including native 1080p imaging, 4K decoding support, AI-powered automatic image adjustment, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, licensed streaming apps, Dolby-supported audio, and a versatile short throw design. Understanding what each specification contributes can help viewers better evaluate whether this projector fits their entertainment setup and viewing environment. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.